Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Garena FreeFire game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to download and install the game on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. Now, BlueStacks is a popular Android emulator that works well with most games. However, if you have other emulators that work better with your system, then you can choose those as well. Just tap on the download button from the homepage of your Android emulator website, and this will download the installer. Open up the installer for the emulator, and then click through the next buttons, and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once the application is installed, go ahead and open it up, and you will gain access to your Android home screen. From your Android home screen, open up the Google Play Store, and you might be asked to log into your account for the first time. Go ahead and log in and then tap on the search box. And now in the search box, you can type in Free Fire and start your search. Now once you find the Free Fire game, go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the Free Fire game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is done, and once it is completed, you will see the play button. Go ahead and tap on play, and this will open up the Free Fire game on your device. And now you can continue with signing up or logging into your account to start enjoying right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go about uninstalling the Free Fire game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.